Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete Marin's underwater expedition prep in Heartopia. So just talk to her and you'll see this quest here, merchant specialties, sorry. Sorry. Anyways, you're just going to say leave it to me, and you can either perform any two-person action with a friend or chat with a town resident. Since I was in a private server, I just decided to chat with a town resident. The closest one was Bill, so I did that. You cannot talk to the same person, like you cannot talk to Marin. I don't know how to pronounce her name again. To complete that quest, once you're done, you're just going to go back to Marin and talk to her, and you'll get the super cute coffee umbrella. I wish it was a furniture, but it's fine. And you also get the stamp, of course. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.